Hey, welcome back everybody. So wasn't planning on making this video, but it happened to me, so I figured I might as well show you how to fix the problem. So if you're ever in the edit tab and the viewer just gets stuck, it's not going to change size. No matter what you do, can't resize this way. You can still resize that way, but as you can see, it's still stuck here. No matter what I do, it's not moving around. It's actually a pretty simple fix. So as you can probably tell, I'm in my dual screen mode right now. And if I flip it to single screen, what you'll see is that if I try moving it around now, it actually works. So I still have full control doing it that way. So this is more of a band-aid solution if you don't want to do the full fix, which is going to be going under workspace and clicking the reset UI layout. So now as you can see, it's taken away all of my customization that I've had here, but what we can see is that I'm able to resize again. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt now because I have to go through and add all my customization back in, but this is the fix. I know this is a problem that was plaguing Resolve in versions 15 and 16. I typically get this about every 2 months or so it does happen quite often, but hopefully they'll fix it in a future update. And if this video was helpful at all, please let me know in the comment section below, as well as letting me know what you'd like to see in future episodes. I want to create content that you want to see, so let me know what it is that you want to see. And until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.